Hi guys, it's 5th of July finally. I've been waiting for this date since a year. Today we're all going home, like I'm going home after an entire year. It's been a very tough year. So I've packed all of my stuff. We have to put everything in black bags and we have to submit it in a storeroom. So I've done that. I've showered, did my hair, and now it's what's the time? It's 8 p.m. and I'm supposed to leave at I have a train from Arkhangelsk to Moscow, so it's at 10:40. My train is at 10:40 and I have to leave the hostel in 1.5 hours. I think by 9:30 I'll leave the hostel because it's raining and I have to take all my luggage till the car and put everything inside. It's a really chaotic situation till we get to the airport. So I'm getting ready. Quickly get ready now because I'm really tired. I've been packing for the past 4 days, I want to say. Passed all my exams, alhamdulillah, and I started packing after my exam. So my last exam was on 3rd July. I started packing on 3rd after just after returning from my exam. I started packing and now I am my arms, I think I'll get biceps now. I lifted so much weight in these 2 days. It's disgusting. Just quickly get ready because I've not slept for over a month now. Yeah, like I've not slept at night. I don't know what I'm going through. I think it's insomnia or something. I have to get ready quickly and then I have to go throw out all the garbage that's left of the things that I've packed. There's a lot of garbage, like 3 bags of garbage I have to dump outside and then come back and take my luggage and also rest a little because I've not rested since days now. The exam pressure and everything, it was so chaotic. Finally I'm going home after a year of exile. Wow. Took a really hot, not even warm, hot shower today and it felt so good. Yeah, I'm ready. Next year I won't be coming to this room. It's the end of an era. I spent 2 years in this room. I have a lot of memories attached. So I'll see you in the train, hopefully. Bye. Guys, Ishalini खाना बना के लाई है फिर से. She has outdone herself again. Guys, just reached Moscow. It's very sunny outside. Hi guys, just reached Moscow. We are headed to the airport. through security. Now we're just gonna go and check in our baggage. There's this huge line. Finally reached Abu Dhabi. Right now, I am in the Zayed International Airport, and I'm just roaming. It is like really, really pretty. I've never seen an airport this pretty, except for Singapore Changi Airport. It, I think that is the most beautiful one, but this is also very, very pretty. I'm like stunned by how pretty it is. Duty free section is so tempting, but unfortunately, I don't have any currency. I have it in my card, and they don't accept it via card. They don't accept payments via Russian cards, and I have to have Indian currency or like Russian currency or some sort of dollars or something. So won't be able to shop for anything, and let's see, maybe next time. I don't know why I do this. I thought about buying some dollars before leaving Russia, but I forgot because of all the packing and stuff that was going on. It was a really hectic week for me, so I forgot about that. And I regret it so much. I wanted to buy Kunafa chocolate. It's not even that expensive. It's like very affordable. This airport is so enormous. You can spend an entire day here and still not be able to cover the entire airport. We have an we have a seven hour layover here. We'll go to the business lounge. थोड़ा खाना वाना खाएंगे उधर और फिर जाएंगे फ्लाइट में भी फ्लाइट को बहुत टाइम है दो अभी कितना बज रहा है it's 7:30 it's 7:30 right now and my flight is at 2 p.m. so I have a lot of time. We go to the lounge, eat and rest for a bit, and then we'll just like roam around in the airport and see what's there and what's not. That is exactly what I'm doing right now.